Hi, today I will show how to crochet flower. I will use this yarn and I use this side hook. We need two colors for this flower. First, we crochet 80 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 80 chains. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we crochet on this 1 single crochet and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we work finish this row. After we work finish this row, and now same we turn and we crochet 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this part we crochet 1 single crochet like that, and next 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this we crochet 1 single crochet. Next we crochet same 7 double crochet, and then we work beginning. Now I use a yellow color and then I work around this part. Just one stitch, 1 single crochet like that. and then we work beginning. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Thank you so much.